Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Assembly polls in Jammu and Kashmir soon after delimination, statehood on cards. 5 takeaways from PM's all-party meet. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday assured leaders from Jammu and Kashmir that the central government is in favor of holding assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir and also restore its statehood once the delimitations exercise is over. The Prime Minister had called an all-party meeting comprising 14 leaders from Jammu and Kashmir to discuss the prevailing situation in the Union territory and its future course of action at his residence in New Delhi. This was the first such outreach exercise from the center since August 2019 when it abrogated Article 370 and bifurcated the erstwhile state into two UTs. Prime Minister Modi was accompanied by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir Manoj Sinha during the meeting. The 14 leaders from Jammu and Kashmir were from 8 parties including the National Conference, the PDP, the BJP and the Congress. UP BJP cancels Arun Singh's ticket for Jila Panchayat polls following complaint by Unnao rape victim. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP on Thursday cancelled the party ticket of Arun Singh nominated as party's candidate for Jila Panchayat chief following a complaint against him. On Thursday, the Unnao rape victim in Uttar Pradesh wrote to President Ramnath Kovind, PM Narendra Modi and Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath demanding the BJP to change its candidate for the post of the Zila Panchayat chairman as she said he is very close to jail, former MLA Kuldeep Singh Sengar. It is my demand from the party and the government to withdraw Arun Singh's name and declare someone else as its candidate, the rape victim said. The rape victim also claimed danger to her life in the BJP gives ticket to Arun Singh, who held the post of the Nawabganj block Panchayat chief. The elections for the post of the Zila Panchayat chairman are scheduled for July 3rd. The party has now given ticket to Shakun Singh from ward number 22 Fatehpur Chaurasi ILL instead of Arun Singh. Kuldeep Singh Sengar, a former BJP MLA from Unnao Bangar Maru seat, was accused of rape by victim in 2017. A Delhi court has sentenced Sengar to life imprisonment in the case in December 2009. Village Sarpanch tries to marry off grandson with local girl. Her keen thrashes abducts him. A Sarpanch of the early village in Madhya Pradesh, Neemuch district, was kidnapped in a dramatic style over a marriage dispute. The incident was caught on camera and the video has now gone viral. Neemuch additional SP Sundar Singh Kanesh, while taking to India Today TV, said that according to the tradition of their society, the marriage of the grandson of the Sarpanch of Diali village, Badri Lal, was fixed in his childhood with a girl living in Balaganj. However, the girl's family did not send her to the Sarpanch house. Following this, both the parties called for a settlement at the Antari Mata temple in Manasa area. However, instead of an agreement, there was a dispute between the two families that later escalated into a scuffle. After this, the next day, the girl's family stopped Badri Lal on the road, allegedly beat him up and abducted him. After the incident, the people of Dialai village reached another village named Balganj in large numbers and ransacked the house of the accused family. However, the accused told the police that they had left the Sarpanch at his home after thrashing him. The district police have not been able to contact the Sarpanch yet. Woman in the running for post of Kerala police chief for the first time. For the first time, a woman has been shortlisted for the post of Kerala Police Chief. On Thursday, the Union Public Service Committee prepared a final list of 3 to be considered for the post of Director General of Police in charge of law and order. One of 3 recommended is Kerala Fire Force Chief B. Sandhya. The other 2 names of the list are Suresh Kumar, Director of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Bureau, and Safety Commissioner Anil Khan. Among the 3, B. Sandhya and Suresh Kumar hold the rank of Director General of Police. At present, Kumar has the edge of seniority over Sandhya. Anil Khan, meanwhile, currently holds the rank of an additional Director General of Police. The UPSC committee has dropped DGP Tomin J. Thankari from its list despite his being a prominent name on the shortlist given by the Kerala government for the new police chief position. He is possibly not being considered for the post due to an ongoing vigilance investigations. Kerala Chief Secretary B.P. Joy and current State Police Chief Loknath Behra attended the UPSC committee meeting that was held in Delhi. DGP Loknath Behra's successor will be the first Kerala Police Chief to be selected from the list recommended by the UPSC committee.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.